Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2007 Nissan Murano trade-in. Is it good enough? I don't think so. Let's go, let's look into it. Well, I could tell you this much. I got a brand new aftermarket coil right there. What else? Oh, we got some poo-poos down on the transmission there. Looks like we got a valve cover leak over here. Everything looks good over there. Let's see how the power steering fluid is. I can take this cap off. Oh, there's no dipstick on it, but let's see. We got some shark piss happening. Oh no, we just got some black ass freaking power steering fluid. Alright. How's the brake fluid looking? Oh, it's looking alright. So yeah, we drove it. The rear end felt a little weird. Brakes feel crunchy. And, whoa. Hold the phone. Let's...
I mean, this vehicle actually made it in the building?
Yeah, but...
So now that we have taken it up top, we we can already see something's been done here. We can... Whoa! Well, we can tell it's leaking from here. We can tell it looks like it's leaking from there. You know what? It's going to start leaking from here too. Oh no, good. Wow, look at that repair. He must have been a Maytag. You think that's a garden hose? I was going to say a Maytag repairman or something. Wow.
Red garden hose.
Control arms? Yep. Subframe. Oh, whoa. Oh, no. Yeah, here it is. Subframe is a Gugats. Not good. We have play from this joint here. Oh shit, my light went out. Alright, now that we got a light again, we got play in that. Brakes are all Damascus. Backing plate is MIA. I pray for the poor son of a bitch that has to do a freaking wheel bearing here, or a wheel speed sensor. Wow. How's the face of the rotor? Oh, at least that looks better. What'd you find?
Absolute.
Oh, we got a flappy floppy axle boot too, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. We got some custom exhaust work. We got a rattle. Wow, that's really custom. Whoa. Why are those bolts so long? Where's the hole in the body? We saw that from up top. Oh, there it is. You see how you can see a little bit of daylight right there? Yeah. What else? Oh, we got a lumpy and bumpy shaft. Oh, you know, the further we go back, the further into flavor country we go. So, yeah, this, oh my God, wow. This is another rattle. And, wait a minute. Yeah, yo, they freaking cut the links. Where's the sway bar? E-brake cable, the mount is busted off. It's probably, yep, it looks like it's been kissing the drive shaft. Yeah. We also decided to hit the subframe with a ball peen and get further into it. Oh man, that oil pan, I don't think you could ever get it off. The hardware no longer identifies as hardware. Oh, the AC compressor is freaking leaking. I don't even need UV dye or glasses or light. I could see the green. That's the least of their problems. It's a Nissan. That's the problem. Wow. And what year was this?
7.
It's a 2007. And what's the mileage on it?
90K.
90? That's it. It only has 90,000 miles and it looks like this. Oh my God. Oh, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I hope your oil pan don't look like that for further content.